Hello everyone. I'm very happy for you to be joining me. So I am going to be doing some how do you call it? Improvising. What's that word called? Improvising? Oh my god. Improvisational? Oh my god. I'm just so tired. I'm so tired and it's like 4:40 p.m. and I feel like I haven't even woken up yet. Look at this. I made coffee for the first time like in 2 months. I don't know. I've been just feeling so drained. I feel like my quarter life crisis is coming on. I feel like I had my quarter life crisis honestly like the year after I graduated from high school though, so I won't even go there. Anyway, so we're gonna do a back to school makeup routine. Anyway, I forgot to do it's makeup it's makeup time. That's way too loud. But anyway, for all you are curious where I got this wonderful bell, shameless promo and plug for my uncle's Etsy shop he opened. This is one of the things I got from the store. It's 100% vintage. Every single item is like unique and individual, so supply is limited. If you are interested, you can use code Sonia for 10% off, I believe. So I'll link his Etsy shop down below. I definitely support him and his business. Anyway, without further ado, I'm going to just put this Spotlight Primer on by a Physicians Formula. I want to feel very, very glowy, and also my acne, I mean I still have a bunch of acne, but it is definitely getting vastly better. And this also I wanted to give like a little pep talk for school, because this is again I want to do like a dedicated back to school makeup routine. But I mean, I think for the most part, I assume people are wearing masks, so you probably don't even have to wear makeup anyway. This more is a video just to, oh my god, embrace your, honestly this school year, embrace your imperfections. Don't even put on anything, because if you're gonna wear a mask anyway, like there's kind of no point. One of my favorite foundations ever is the Covergirl and OLAY Simply Ageless foundation, SPF 28 Hyaluronic complex. This stuff is like my favorite. It has like those ribbons and stuff. But yeah, this foundation covers up so well and I barely have to tap into it. It's the lightest foundation ever. It covers so well, so I feel like I never have to cake it on, because look at that, like it evens out your skin tone so well. Tap it, tap. I always tap in the foundation, I never rub, because if you wipe it, like it could potentially leave streaks and also could accidentally wipe away product that you did not mean to wipe away. Tapping is also really good for layering. When I layer foundation, I never ever rub unless it's like down the neck just to blend stuff together. But always tap on the face. Also prevents pulling, which can lead to wrinkles and aging, because I'm so old. I'm an old granny. I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows quick with the Anastasia Dip Brow. Can't find my eyebrow brush. Oh my gosh. My hair is just crazy. Honestly, I should try something different. I'm gonna try this $1 Billion Brow Universal Brow Pencil by BDB. Oh, it's literally just called $1 Billion Brow. That's the name. Oh my gosh, yeah, the coverage is so amazing on my face. Again, my acne is getting better. Stay tuned for more What I Eat in a Day videos, because my diet is just like definitely falling into place. The Universal Brow Pencil definitely, it's a bit orange, I would say. It's probably, honestly, I still would prefer the Dip Brow, I think. I have never found a better color than the Dip Brow, to be honest. I have the NYX Brow Gel, which is super good. This brow color is okay. It's just a bit too orange for me. Honestly, this is just some real talk for the new school year. If anyone of you are struggling with acne like I am and you have to face the public with school. Again, when I was attending my school, first of all, my acne was way worse than it is now, and I still was acting fine. I wasn't putting on any makeup. And like the thing is, if people see you fine and okay with being in your own body and you're exuding like just positive vibes, people will never even think twice about what's going on with your skin. Even if you keep to yourself and just do your own thing, like majority of people, I guarantee you 100% of the people won't mention anything. I'm just gonna be using the Baba Under Eye Cosmetics concealer under my eyes, because it is just the best concealer in my opinion for under eyes. So I'm just warming it up with my fingers because it is just the best way in my opinion, oh my gosh, to apply concealer. There we go, look at that. I'm alive. Definitely don't feel alive, but at least I can look it. I don't even like coffee. I don't know what I'm doing. Do you ever feel so overworked that sometimes you just want to sit down and read a children's book or something? I feel like I'm getting to that level of like crazy. So if any of you reach that level, you know, definitely let me know. Comment below. See if I'm not the only one that feels like nostalgic and just wants to like do anything that children are doing because I don't want to face adult issues. Oh, story of my life. I just need to read a good Winnie the Pooh book or something, and then I can get back into my healthy mindset. But anyway, when I was in school, like I'm just using Coty Airspun to set my under eyes right away, so then there's no creasing. But yeah, like when I was in school, like literally 100% of them didn't even think twice or look twice, look at my acne even, or even comment about it. And like, sure, they probably were thinking stuff. Like I think stuff like that still, and I have dealt with acne, and like when I see other people with acne, that's the first thing I think, like, oh my gosh, like, I have acne, because it's just something that, again, it's not like that normalized still, right? So you're still, even with acne, you're still gonna be thinking that with other people that have it, and it's just something subconsciously that happens in the mind, but like no one's actually going to say anything about it. And at the end of the day, if you have goals that are more important than what is going on externally with yourself and your well-being, like that is just another reason not to worry. Everything is going to fall into place. The times when I had acne, I'm just like, I know that this is going to pass, and I know that this isn't permanent. So the most I can do, and the most productive thing I could do, is just work towards my dreams and goals. So meanwhile, by the time I actually can reach them, and I've reached them, I most likely will have clear skin by then. Again, things always fall into place. And even if you don't, as long as you're taking mindful steps to like be able to progress and improve your skin, whether it again is seeing an naturopath, going to a doctor, dermatologist, do whatever is in your control to be able to like maintain or control your acne. So then at least you feel like you have some sense of control, because that was like my biggest defeat, almost, like not having a sense of control. So even if it's just like a small visit or something with a professional, that is still something to like make you feel better and in a more confident direction. I can't find any of my brushes properly, so I'm just gonna use this random small foundation brush, the Hoola bronzer. I've had this for like years, but I've just never used it, so I just want to try to use it. Oh my gosh, I feel like this is not the right brush at all for this. I'll split it out with this. I literally, like, I don't know where any of my brushes are. And again, honestly, having acne is more beneficial nowadays, since again, we are wearing masks and it's like you don't even have to worry really about that. Meanwhile, your skin can actually breathe and like take a break from makeup if you've always been a makeup wearer. Then make sure obviously your masks are always clean, so you're not breaking out within the mask. I'd be kind of relieved if I would have had to wear a mask and I was like super conscious about my acne. But again, my acne is not even as bad as it was before, and I didn't even wear makeup or anything. I just showed it and I was like, I don't even care, because again, you get to the point where it's just like, what's the point, kind of? Again, no one is caring about your skin except you the most. Again, the most that people are gonna do is just look at it and be like, notice it in their head, like, oh, she has acne. But like, they're not gonna say anything about it, because if they do say something about it, it shows who they are as a person. Very unempathetic. Is that the right word? It shows their lack of empathy, and that's the T. Okay, I'm gonna quickly use this e.l.f. blush. I'm just using apparently this brush for everything, so whatever. But I want to use this like peachy coral one. I'm just really in the mood for peachy coral. Oh my gosh, my acne is improving though, and I'm visibly noticing it now, like more and more every day. It's not even about like getting rid of acne even, it's more about, again, just being healthy. And like, I know overall, like my skin is clearing because, not because of medication, but because of things that I'm like ingesting in my body, like food wise, supplement wise, like I'm naturally able to heal from the inside instead of use medication. And that's like the most empowering thing in my opinion. But again, you do you. If you want to do accutane, like I'm not judging. Again, at the end of the day, it's all about what makes you the happiest at the moment. As long as it's not hurting anyone or yourselves, I would say go for it. I don't know if I want to put on falsies today. I'm just kind of lazy for that. But if I'm not going to put on falsies, I kind of want to put on a very like pink lip. This is by the brand Annabelle. It's called Call Me Pinky. I bought like so many lip liners just because I literally only owned like one, and it was like 3 years old. And I wanted to buy like a super pink, look at that pink, oh my god. So just know there's so many people that are on the same boat as you, going into high school or middle school or university, that have just as many imperfections as you do. It might not be acne, it might be something else, but just know everyone is going through something. And especially during this time, I think the least of anyone's concerned is like outer appearance. And if it is, again, I don't know what to say. That's something that they, you know, they gotta deal with. I'm gonna just take a bit of the Essence Shine Gloss because I don't want to put any lipstick. I just want to kind of like blend in the color, melt in the lip liner to my lips. I really like it. It's so pink. I always use the Essence Get Big Lashes. I would usually curl my eyelashes right now, but I literally cannot find my curler. I think it's in my bathroom. I think I'm gonna quickly curl my lashes off camera because this is gonna bug me. I will be back. Okay, there we go. We got some curled lashes going on. Oh shoot, and then highlight. This is like my favorite. This is so dirty. But anyway, favorite color is actually this violet one, the purple one. It's just so fun. I just want to put that on because I love it's so good. like violet highlighters are just, I don't know, they look so cute. Violet highlighters are seriously the best. Okay, anyway, so this look, I'm going to quickly spray my face with Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. So then I'm not as crusty looking. Oh my god. We're off to, I don't know, the bathroom to wash it off. Anyway, this has been fun. Thank you all for joining me again. I still honestly don't know why I'm drinking coffee. But anyway, I will sign off here. You guys are gonna do great. Going back to school, university, wherever it is, your new job, I don't know. I wish you all the best. You guys are golden. Hope you have a good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss the video I post. All my social media links and my products in the video will be linked down below, as well as my second YouTube channel. Please subscribe to that. It'll mean the world to me. And lots of virtual kisses and hugs. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, peace.